Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates, Beach Edition. Today I made a sand train. I made a couple molds out of 3D printed parts, of course, and you can make yourself a sand train. They're basically two-part molds. You kind of hold them together, pour some sand inside of it, bang it on the ground, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It should mostly come out, depending on the sand, how wet it is, and etc., etc. It worked fairly well for a sand train. You can build yourself a long beach sand train and then squish it, or not. So that's a sand train. What other cars should I make? Do you have any preferences I haven't made? Bus cars, tank cars, and a couple locomotives? Let me know in the comments if you think there's another train I'm missing. Get it on Cults. It's part of the Cults contest, so if you don't mind, give me a like and a download. That'd be helpful. Share it with friends. If you make it, I'd love to get a make for you as well. Love to see your results. So far, I just have the tank car, box car, and one locomotive. The tank car and the box car work real well. I'm going to improve the locomotive slightly and get yourself a 3D printed sand train. Go to the beach, make some trains. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time. This was hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains. I went to the beach and I made a little train. And then I left the train on the beach and someone eventually stepped on it.